My friends, do you have a bad case of the gutter grumbles? I'm sick of these clogged gutters. I'm just gonna cut the trees down instead. If leaves and debris have caused this inner woe, you've come to the right video because I'm gonna show you how to clean your gutters with confidence. So I'm going to give you two ways to get this job done. Number one, the safe and practical way, which won't require you to get on the roof. Or number two, the wildly unorthodox, fun and fast way. For this method, you're going to need a ladder and some good quality work gloves. And we're just going to remove the debris with our hands. It's critical that you wear gloves for this, just in case your hands hit any sharp metal sticking out. I don't want y'all cutting your hands on me. I'm just pulling all that debris out, throwing it on the ground because I'm going to blow it all away after I'm finished. But dispose of the debris whichever way works for you. You can hang a bucket off the side of your ladder and then you can fill the bucket up with it and then dump the bucket into a trash bag. Just whichever works for you. Now, the fun way. For this method, you're going to need a blower and that's it. This is really simple. You just get on the roof and blow the debris out of the gutters. You want to get that air really close as possible to that debris. And you can see I'm sticking that blower, the end of the blower, just down into the gutters. Now I realize that this isn't practical for everyone. People who are, afraid of heights, or maybe you just have a really steep roof. And if that's your case, then just stick with method number one. No harm, no foul. A quick tip, and I probably should have done this before I started, but take that blower and just walk all over your roof and blow off all the extra leaves and sticks before you actually start blowing out the gutters themselves. To finish up this job, just flush out the remains with a water hose. I also want to mention that if you're concerned about the aesthetic look of your gutters, you can fill you up a bottle of water, add you a few squirts of Dawn dish soap, or any dish soap will work, and then grab you like a washcloth or a non-scratch sponge, and then you can just spray your gutters down and wipe them off to remove any kind of dirt or grime from them. To maintain your gutters, it's recommended that you install something like this, some kind of gutter guard. This is just a little cover, sits on top of the gutters and covers them up so all the debris just sits on top of here instead of getting inside the gutters and clogging them up. So very practical, and I really should take my own advice on this one. I don't have any gutter guards, as you saw. But hey, if I had gutter guards, then I may not have had the opportunity to record this video. So in that regard, I'm kind of grateful that my gutters were clogged with stuff.